Hello and welcome to Tactical Arbitrage. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what you can do from the home screen. What you're seeing here is a new and improved dashboard, also known as the home screen. If you prefer the previous version, you can easily switch back. Just scroll all the way down and look for the option to toggle off the new interface at the bottom right corner. Once you've connected your Professional Seller Central account to Tactical Arbitrage, you'll notice a variety of quick start options right at the top of the page. These shortcuts allow you to start searches and explore live deals instantly. For example, clicking Find Beauty Products on Target will open the product search page, already pre-filled with settings to look for beauty products on Target, ready to go. The Quick Start box is also collapsible. To expand or collapse it, simply click on the chevron icon. Here, you can view your 3 most recent scans for each scan type, such as product search, reverse search, and more. If you'd like to see your complete scan history, click See All on the right-hand side. Please note that this See All option only appears once you've completed more than 3 scans. If you haven't reached that number yet, you can still access the search history page by clicking Search History at the top of the screen. It's also worth mentioning that this limit only affects what's displayed. It's not related to how many scans you can run simultaneously. If any scans are still in progress, you'll see options with each box to pause or stop them. Inside each scan box, there are a few helpful tools. To name your search, click on the pencil icon. A pop-up will appear where you can enter a custom name and save it. To view your results, click View Results to open the View Data page, where you can see all product information gathered from that scan. Each box also displays key details, such as when the scan started, how many potential matches were found, and how long the scan has been running. And that's our quick overview of the new Tactical Arbitrage home screen. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@tacticalarbitrage.com.